guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you guys don't already know, I hate wasting ripe bananas. I have a few here that I have to use up, and I decided to make some energy balls. So if you haven't seen my other recipe for chocolate chip banana cookies, I'll go ahead and put the link in the description box down below. But these energy balls are gonna be so easy to make. You can put whatever fillings you really want. Today I'm gonna go with oats, chia seeds, the banana, of course, some chocolate chips as well, and I'll show you how it's done. So making these energy balls are actually really easy. You can use so many different types of ingredients, but these are what I'm going to be using. I have 1.5 cups of rolled oats here, and to that I'm going to use 1/3 cup of maple syrup. You can substitute for honey if you prefer. I also have 1/4 cup of peanut butter, and in this case you can use any kind of nut butter. I'm going to add in a tablespoon of chia seeds, a teaspoon of vanilla, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, and I like coconut flakes. I'm going to add some of that in to absorb the moisture, and then 1 ripe banana that I'm going to mash. So there it is, just going to mash it up. And 1/4 cup of chocolate chips. And all you gotta do is stir it together. So right now it's really sticky. We're gonna go ahead and put it in the refrigerator to firm up. You can leave it in the fridge for, I would say, about 2 to 3 hours or overnight, just so it firms up, so then you can then make the balls after that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cover this up and then put it in the fridge. So I had the mixture in the refrigerator for several hours, and now it's firmed up a bit. I'm gonna go ahead and use a cookie scooper and then scoop it into balls. Make sure your hands are a little wet, just so that it doesn't stick to your hands, and that way you can form the balls a little bit better. There you go. I'm gonna go ahead and just put in this glass container here. And here they are. Gonna go ahead and put them back in the refrigerator so they firm up a little bit, and I should be able to eat it in the morning. So as you can see, they were really easy to put together. You could substitute for different fillings that I had used. Like if you don't like the coconut, you can omit that, or you can switch out the maple syrup for honey instead. The possibilities are just endless. So these are what they look like. I popped them back in the refrigerator for a little bit after I had rolled out the balls, and now I can pack 2 or 3 of them to bring with me to work. They're great for morning breakfast. They are nice for an afternoon snack as well. So I hope you guys like the recipe. Please comment down below and like and subscribe whenever you get a chance if you want to see more videos like this. Have a monster-rific day, and thanks for watching. Bye.